Now, with the price of Terra Luna Classic trending in the channel between 26,000 points per coin and roughly 33,000 points per coin, a lot of people are looking at this consolidation as a bad thing. They're looking at it through a pessimistic outlook, and that's not right. We shouldn't be doing that. We should see how far we're up since the month prior. We should see that Terra Luna Classic supporters are continuing to support, and this consolidation period that we're going through right now, it's healthy. It is what we need to see in order for Terra Luna Classic to make it to the next leg up. And I want to talk about why in this video to possibly open up, not to change your mind, but to potentially open up a different perspective for anybody out there that's looking at this in a negative light. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can get Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin in the description, and they reward the more active traders. So the more trades you make on their platform, the more rewards you're gonna get. And shoot, I mean, go crazy buying and selling Terra Luna Classic if you guys would like. But we got a lot to talk about. Okay, I see a lot of negativity, and it's not coming from everybody. There's still a lot of people that are very, very heavily supporting Terra Luna Classic, but a lot of concern. Let's put it that way. Concern for price that's not rising astronomically. And I want to get this out there for anybody who may be new to the crypto space, definitely new to Terra Luna Classic. Look, things don't just go up forever. They don't, it's not a straight line where we can watch Terra Luna Classic rise and never fall back down. Nothing, no asset at all performs that way. There are waves, there are cycles, there are significant gains, there are significant pullbacks, and what we're seeing right now is a consolidation period. Now, yes, a lot of people with the hype surrounding the burn tax may have been buying in and causing Terra Luna Classic to rise a little bit faster than it should have been, but nonetheless, what we're seeing right now is consolidation after the burns have been released. This means a couple of things. Number one, this burn tax on Terra Luna Classic is live, and people did not sell off. It was not some sort of a buy the rumors, sell the news type of a deal where people were solely excited about the Terra Luna Classic burn tax and then dumping their positions immediately after that burn tax went live. That is excellent news. No matter how you look at it, even though we didn't get a massive, rally and a massive buy-in and FOMO because of the burn tax, we certainly didn't see that sell-off that a lot of people were predicting either. So we've got that to look forward to. The burn tax itself, okay, the numbers were a little slow the first day. I don't think anybody can disagree with that. We had, what, 70, 80, 90 million Terra Luna Classic being burnt in the very first day that burn tax was live. And today, this morning, we are already up above 345 million Terra Luna Classic being burnt. Now, if we look at it that way, and we see, okay, well, people weren't really making transactions until they woke up after the burn tax was live, and we have roughly a full 24 hours. And guys, a full 24 hours giving us the very first day, 350 million Terra Luna Classic being burnt, that's an excellent start to things. Why? You know, we're going through this phase right now. If you're holding Terra Luna Classic, or if you were accumulating Terra Luna Classic leading up to this burn tax being initiated, the overwhelming majority of thoughts were, okay, I'm going to stack up and then I'm going to hold. I'm going to let everybody else burn their Terra Luna Classic and I'm going to hold mine. So there was very little activity going on yesterday that would have burnt Terra Luna Classic. And as time kind of unravels a little bit, and people are like, okay, well, the burns aren't doing anything overnight. I can still buy and sell my Terra Luna Classic. I can move it over. It's 1.2% burn tax. It's just, it is what it is now. When that sort of normal or normalization returns to Terra Luna Classic, yes, the burns are going to pick back up. And we're going to see these numbers, 300 million, 500 million, possibly a billion, 2 billion, 3 billion a day being burnt. And that's just on-chain transactions, okay? I see a lot of people out there doing the math and trying to bring realization to people by saying it's going to take over 1,000 years to burn the Terra Luna Classic supply down to 10 billion. You guys are naive to ever think that you will see that supply reduced. The answer is yes. You guys are correct with that math. You guys understand how to divide 6.9 trillion by the average daily 30 million that we've been having so far. We understand that you guys can do simple division, but what you're forgetting to do is take into consideration the acceleration rate of the burns or the growth rate for the burns. And with this burn tax being live for just one day, we don't have anything to compare it against. We have no growth rate to use in the calculation to see, okay, and then once time goes on, it will plateau. We get it. The burn rate will plateau one day, but where is that number? It's naive to just use the 30 million average that we've had so far, because we have no idea what this burn tax is going to turn into. It could be 100 million average. It could be 5 billion average. We just have to wait and see where these numbers grow to and where they plateau at. Now, the next thing to consider in your mathematical equations there when doing the Luna Classic burn tax is that if centralized exchanges jump on board. Guys, centralized exchanges have announced that they are not burning anything on spot and margin transactions within their platform. I think that that's a mistake on their part, but for some reason, they don't want to charge you a fee. It has nothing to, they are not being inconvenienced, charged, or anything to tax those, the on-chain or on-exchange transactions, sorry. But for some reason, they're unwilling to put that tax on us at this point. Once we make it clear, and once the first major exchange allows these transactions to be taxed, and if they see an influx of customers and growth because of it, all of the other exchanges will jump on board. The moment they begin to lose customers to exchanges that support the community is the moment that they will all jump on board and they will say, it was our idea. We are here to help. Please, please come to us. We're the ones that supported you from the beginning. And then you guys will have to, choose whether or not we believe these exchanges, whether or not you want to continue to support them, and so on. But what we have now is just the beginning. Guys, the Terra Luna Classic burn taxes just started. The price action consolidating means that, hey, maybe people aren't buying right now, but they certainly aren't selling off. And with everything going on in the economy and the destruction of the market and overall crypto market over the last couple of weeks here, it is amazing to see a volatile coin like Terra Luna Classic holding up these price points, elevated 100, 200, 300% from the prices we were seeing just a couple of weeks to just a couple of months ago. So guys, there is a bright side of things right now, and I hope that you're looking at that as well as the potential pessimistic side. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are you still bullish? Simply yes or no, bullish or bearish on Terra Luna Classic down in the comments there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. Terra Luna Classic is on KuCoin. Free Discord in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.